Whether your ex showed up at the same party or you spot them on the bus, unexpected run-ins can be totally unnerving. But remember, this is only as awkward as you make it, so don't try to hide if you've already made eye contact. Just take a deep breath, accept that this is a little weird, and maybe even laugh and say, well, this is awkward. When you greet them, don't force physical affection like hugging or kissing on the cheek, but avoid a formal handshake too. You're bumping into an ex, not closing a business deal. Treat them like an old friend you've grown apart from. Keep the small talk light and avoid the urge to brag about how amazing your life is. Even if your ex is with a partner, resist the temptation to go for that new partner's throat. Take the high road and stay cool as a cucumber. Most importantly, you don't owe them anything. If you get uncomfortable or they start crossing your boundaries, just use the line, "It was nice seeing you, but I've got to run."